Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. Today we're going to try an experiment. I love my coffee in the morning. I wouldn't say I'm a coffee connoisseur, but I do love my flavored coffee. And actually my favorite coffee, give you some free advertisement, Cameron's Toasted Southern Pecan. I just absolutely love this stuff. And the thing about this is when the pandemic hit, I kind of kept track of expenses and how much food and costs and stuff was going up. And this stayed $6.99 a pound up until like 6 months ago. So 5 years, never changed the price. But the problem is the store I used to buy it at, our local H-E-B grocery store, the one by us doesn't sell it anymore. And I'm slowly driving out, going to other grocery stores, and it's getting less and less and less. And I'm really gonna miss this if I can't find it. So, brings us to today's video. I'm going to try to make my own pecan flavored coffee. So it sounds pretty easy, but let's give it a shot and see what it tastes like. And also, I wanted to make it, do a video, but I don't want to take all the time in the morning because I want my coffee like right away. So this is New Year's Eve, and I'm going to have coffee in the late afternoon. So hopefully it'll make me stay up and I'll be able to ring in the new year. So let's get started. We're going over to the stovetop. I'm going to put the burner on like a medium. And what I bought here was pecan pieces. You know, you could get the big pecan halves. They're a lot more expensive, so I just got these pieces. They're cheaper. We're going to roast them up or toast them up in the frying pan here till we get a nice aroma coming from it. Cook them a little bit. You know, we don't want to burn them, obviously. We'll just kind of stir them around for a few minutes. We'll see how long it takes. Then we're going to chop them up on a cutting board, put them in with my coffee and make it. Let's see what happens. So I don't know what I got here, probably quarter cup maybe. Starting to smell them a little bit. I see them starting to turn kind of a dark brown, so we'll be pulling them off here in just a minute. All right, I think that's good. Actually, it was just maybe starting to smoke a little bit, kind of a clue. And about 3 minutes is all that was. So the first way I did this, I'm going to show you, it's not the best, but if you don't have a chopper, I just took a knife, chopped them up into very small pieces, and then brewed it. And it was good. It would work in a pinch, but I found it an even better way. And this came out actually just as good, if not better, than the store-bought pecan coffee. So that was one way you can do it. You know, just chop them up on that block on the chopping board. But I found this is actually a much better way, and the coffee's much more pecan tasting. So I'm taking my roasted pecans, and I'm just going to pour them right into my coffee ground here. I measured that out, it was a quarter cup. So we're just gonna grind these up. You don't wanna get it too much because you don't wanna turn it into like a peanut butter or pecan butter, but you want them really nice and fine. Okay, now we're gonna pour these directly into your coffee basket on the bottom. There we go. Now I'm just going to pour, this coffee's already ground here. Just put in enough. I usually make like 5 cups in the morning. So whatever you normally use for your coffee in the morning. Okay, I'm just going to put this in the coffee pot, brew it. Mine setting is for small batches. It makes it like extra strong, or perks it slow. Then we'll try it. It's really, really good. Okay, let's try it. Oh man, that's good coffee. So there you have it. If Cameron's goes out of business or doesn't make their Texas Pecan coffee, this is it, man. This is really good. Another great thing about making your coffee this way is there's no, we're using unsalted pecans. There's no chemicals, no artificial flavorings. So it's all natural things, and I'm sure the flavored coffee beans you buy has all kind of chemicals and stuff to make it stick to the bean. And so it's probably a little more healthy. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Ed Foodie right over there. Thank you for watching. Oh, and I wanted to say the batch I made for New Year's Eve to help me stay awake didn't work. I still fell asleep before midnight.